Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Linode for fast VDS provisioning, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Linode website. Once the website loads, look for the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to provide your email address. Enter a valid email address that you have access to. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure your password meets the required security standards. After entering your email and password, click on the Create Account or Sign Up button. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your address. Check your email inbox for a message from Linode. Open the email and locate the confirmation link. Click on the link to verify your email address. Once your email is verified, return to the Linode website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you might be prompted to set up your profile. Fill in the necessary information such as your full name and phone number. Provide accurate details as this information may be important for account recovery. Next, you will need to enter your payment details. Choose your preferred payment method and fill in the required information. After entering your payment details, double-check for accuracy. Once everything is filled out, submit your payment information to complete your profile setup. Now, navigate to the Linode dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the Create button to start provisioning a virtual dedicated server. Click on the Create button and select Linode from the drop-down menu. Choose the type of VDS that suits your needs by selecting a plan. Explore various configurations, and pick one based on your requirements. Next, select a data center location for your VDS. Consider choosing a location that is closest to your target audience for optimal performance. After selecting your plan and data center, you can customize additional options as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.